Hey guys.
Colt Fort.
Okay, this is a bike check. Let's go. Come on. You're coming. We have to go out there. Like, right here.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Follow me and subscribe to me. Yeah. How many subscribers you got?
I got one. But actually two. I got my
Alright.
ex-girlfriend. But
So right here,
he goes
we're
first.
riding.
Wait.
Well, you can go first.
No, you go.
All right. So right now I'm riding a Sticker Bomb Fit frame. I got Fit handlebars, ODI Vans grips. I'm riding a stolen front rim, an Alienation back rim.
If you guys don't know what Alienation is, it's a good, really good company for BMX. That's where I got my black and gold rim.
And I'm riding white Colt pedals. This is KMC chain.
Fucking Lisa sitting over.
Fit cranks. The tires are Fireball Ecot. I just actually got new brakes, and I got some birds with a come-up seat.
Fucking fit.
Alienation hubs.
Seat post.
Seat post is fit.
The tiniest seat post ever.
Oh, sprocket.
He had
That's
to cut
animal.
it down like that big. It's so fucking
It's
big.
an animal sprocket. It's actually pretty light. Watch, ready?
My bike's heavy as hell though, so and the fucking headset's like rocking back and forth right now.
Oh yeah, the headset. That is stolen.
What's the
The stem is stolen. The headset, honestly, I don't know what the headset
and
is.
you need to say the hubs?
The hubs, I said, are the same as the wheels. So
Alienation and a stolen hub. And what kind of cranks are those?
I already said it fit. I said all
What kind of pedals?
I said it.
Merit?
No. Colt.
Fuck. Wait, let me see. 'Cause yesterday you said merit. Oh, that's all. You have merit on that hole. So
Here's a Colt too.
what?
Pedals.
No. Oh yeah.
So you got Colt pedals. You got fit frame
I
hammer.
want to do it.
All right.
I got a Haro stem that sucks. I'm buying a Merit stem. I don't know when. And a fucking brand new headset. I have fit bars, I think. And I'm buying new bars. So it's kind of weird. And then I have a pink Monster headset.
Oh yeah.
I have.
All right, and building a new BMX bike. We'll probably update you on that.
Yeah. I got Fireball tires, Alienation rims, front and back.
See.
This and the back one. And I got ODI long neck grips, softies. I got a pair of Colt pedals, Sabrosa Salvador seat. I got it from a kid for like $5. So it's not that expensive. The kid paid $90 for it, but I didn't. I have go get my camera. Face it that close. I have a pair of fit cranks right here. I think no, those are rant cranks. I have a fit
cranks.
sprocket.
Yeah, fit sprocket.
A KMC chain in purple.
Yep.
With Sabrosa Salvador seat.
And seat post.
Hub is a different hub. It's not. I think that's the same hub, right?
Alienation still.
Yeah, this is an Alienation hub, and the front one is Alien.
Yep.
That looks like my old Primo hub, though. Doesn't it? The white.
Yeah, but it's Alienation.
But my Primo rims are louder, so.
Yes.
Yeah, I gave him a Primo rim for his new bike that he's doing.
Yeah, we're building
And
a new bike right now.
Dial test. I'll dial both of them real quick. Not dialed at all because my headset rocks back and forth.
Oh yeah, check out my new seat.
It's the Sabrosa come-up seat. The come-up seat right here.
Wait, hold up.
You're supposed to hold the camera. Dial test for this bike. there's not that much rattling. It's not that heavy.
That's dialed.
But the back wheel just like rock.
It's dialed though.
It is. But all you gotta really do to fix the shaking is fix it. We are both going to fix our chain today. And
We're actually, since we're like best friends, we're gonna be making like a chain bracelet. We're gonna buy a weight chain.
And, oh, guys, I'm gonna let you know this right now. So you guys know about my birthday party. He is gonna be going, but we have to get pegs for the bikes first. That's the problem. And I'm gonna ask the skate shop to give us 2 pairs of pegs for free. There, so yeah, Skater's Edge. Here we go.